think we are now.
Ndakeka nyuma y'ibyabaye kuri Blackstone dufitanye gahunda.
Oh yes you do.
Here
to make you money.
Wenje kugukorera amafaranga ni wa mugore twatangiranye bari kumurasira mu modoka hakuru. Yaje kureba mugore ari kuvugana na Blackstone bamaze kurasa yamutumye kwishyuza.
And don't throw any shit in this direction.
Kandi utaza kongera kohereza abantu hano.
Why didn't you let him know what he was getting himself into?
Kuki utamumenyesheje ibintu yari agiye kwivanga? Nta wari uzi ibyo
What's it got to do with you?
Wese ibyo bikureba
I liked Braxton.
Blackstone namukundaga.
But I didn't like the hand grenade you passed him.
Sinigeze nkunda grenade wamuteretse mu ntoki umubwira ngo ajye kwishyuza uriya mugabo.
Manny Salazar.
Uriya mugabo bita Manny Salazar.
Not really the guy you loan $1 billion and expect to see it back.
Ntago ari umugabo uguriza biliyoni y'idolari ngo witegure kazayikwishyura. Wigeze ubitekerezaho?
I'm just here to give you an opportunity to recover your money.
Nari njano ngo ngwa amahirwe yo kugarura amafaranga yawe. Urakeka yagarura? Urabizi ko nayagarura nawe. Ikibazo cyawe urahenda.
Mr. Goldstein rather see its money back and
ese mushaka kubona amafaranga yanyagaruka cyangwa mushaka guhagarika imirambo y'abantu iri gupfa bagiye kubishyuriza? Witonde.
Pretty-ish and funny-ish and clever, but you're not that fucking clever.
Umva uri umuhanga ndabyemera urasekeje ariko ntabwo uri umuhanga bikabije.
Well, now you're repeating the same mistake.
Okay, shaka undi wakazi ntari ibintu ubundi busubiyemo ikosa wakoze.
Braxton and
nk'iryo wakoze ujya kohereza Blackstone
getting the same result.
N'ubundi biri buze kuvamo n'ibiri. Blackstone yapfuye.
On what terms?
Hanyuma mbwira uraza kucishingira kuki ujya kunyishyuriza amafaranga yanje? Mbwira amategeko n'amabwiriza. Turabanza dusinye.
Deniability, Spencer Goldstein's hands stay clean and
nizere yuko namwe muri bunsinyire yuko ngiye kubishyuriza.
You only pay me if I recover the full debt.
Kandi si nibyo byonyine genda byemera muranyishyura mvuye kubishyuriza. Angahe? 20% by'amafaranga ndaba mvuye kwishyuza. Nimba ari biliyoni y'idolari ubwo murama mu miliyoni 200 z'amadolari namwe. 20%. Naguhereza 5% ubwo ni miliyoni 5.
By who? You get people killed for 5 and you're still left short.
Utambeshye uri gutuma abantu bapfa kubera miliyoni 5.
Yeah, I really don't like you.
Uzi n'ikindi sinagukunze.
$1 to lose 100.
Nta kibazo. Bika ayo mafaranga yawe ubura amamiliyoni n'amamiliyoni. Uriyemera mwana?
Of course I'm a fucking nuisance.
Cyane ndabizi yuko nkabya nkaniyemera.
I can do it.